Yma yn y sioe, mae'n bosib i ddilyn y gadwyn gyflenwi yn llythrenol o'r gorlan i'r geg ag yma. Y flaen y carcasses, John Richards, Hybu Cymru. Sut carcasses i wedi bod yma, Lenny?
Mae carcasses yn dda iawn. Mae'r nifer sydd wedi dod ymlaen bach yn llai'n arfer, ond siwr o fod achos mae'r tywydd wedi bod mor dda, mae rhywun wedi mynd yn barod oddi ar y fferm. Ond mae'r carcasses yma yn eto safon uchel iawn, a chi gallu gweld fan hyn mae'r gwared fe, a ni'n gallu gweld fan hyn gyda'r carcasses sydd dod i sioe yna. Y cynnyrch dyn ni yn gallu cyflenwi yn y wlad yma, mae'n safon uchel iawn, a dylen ni fod yn falch iawn fel diwydiant bod ni yn gallu cyflenwi anifeiliaid o'r safon yma.
Wrth edrych ymlaen i'r dyfodol, sut dyfodol allwn ni ddisgwyl i'r diwydiant efed?
Cwestiwn da, mae lot yn mynd i dibynnu beth sy'n mynd i digwydd yn y misoedd nesaf, wrth gwrs gyda diwedd Hydref yn dod. Os gobeithio, gewn ni rhyw fath o extension, neu mae rhyw fath o cytundeb y dod, a wedyn gallu gweld bod y diwydiant yn weddol sefydlog. Bydd y prisiau gobeithio yn gwneud beth yw'r patrwmau tymorol bydd ni'n disgwyl, ond wrth gwrs, os nag i ni gyda rhyw fath o cytundeb gyda Ewrop, o bod ni'n mynd allan, wel, mae'r scenery y gyd yn newid wedyn ni, a wedyn ni'n mynd i colli marchnadol sy'n bwysig iawn i ni. Wedyn mae rhai bod yn bryderus, mae rhai ni edrych ar y fe, mae rhai bod yn bositif hefyd, trial bod yn bositif, a edrych ble mae'r opportunities i ni fel diwydiant i symud mlaen a neud gwelliannau.
Diolch yn fawr i ti. A dyma ni, enillydd, Andrew Bishop o Sydd Gaerloyw. Wow, you've been in this show now nearly 40 years, yeah. And you've won this competition a few times as well.
We have. Don't know how many. 10, 12, 15, a lot.
Why do you keep on competing in this competition? What's so special about it to you?
It's a shop window for selling your rams. If you can win this, there is no cover. The wool's off, it's what it is, and it means, we were butchers as well. So it just means that you can produce what the market wants.
So what is this carcass?
He's a weather lamb, born beginning of March.
Beltex?
Beltex, yeah, and he was 40 kilos live and he's 22.5 kilo dead.
Wow, he killed out well then.
Yeah, well that's the sort of killing out you need. No waste is there, and it's all meat. When you cut them up, you have got meat, and
And how many Beltexes have you got?
I think we're down to 200 breeding ewes this time.
But you had many more?
Up to 3 years ago, we lambed up 1,000, 1,100 Beltex females. And
how did you do that?
Hard work, but son was home then a bit, and it's better now. He's a jockey, flat jockey, so.
A jockey?
Charlie's a jockey, yeah, a professional flat jockey. So he doesn't want to be chasing sheep. Don't blame him. So we're deciding to cut down.
But the Welsh show is quite special to you as well.
It is. It's a shop window. It is the biggest show in the country, isn't it? It is the best show in the country, in my eyes. But I've judged at every show, Highland and everywhere, but there's nothing like the Welsh.
Well,
in my opinion.
I agree with you as well.
It's what it is. It's a shop window, isn't it?
Fantastic. Well,
Welsh boys are stock boys, aren't they? In my eyes, they're stock boys.
I say that you're pretty good as well.
Well, try, don't we?
Well, congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
Marvellous.